Hey guys, welcome to my next video. Today, I'll review RMS Lusitania and these two warships, HMS Audacious and his sister ship. Remember to check the comments what is this mystery sister ship of HMS Audacious. So let's review today. I will be back. So I'm back. First, I'll review today RMS Lusitania. Lusitania was launched in 1915, I thought. Check in the comments below so you can know what date he been launched. Here he is. My extra version was been hidden by my father. So because he wanted that ship, because he liked my model I made, it's the same like the original model of Lego from Brick A Go-Go. This is sponsored by Brick A Go-Go. Search his channel, Lego Lusitania. Check my video earlier is how to build HMS Audacious Lego warship. Check it in my channel. Still not ready to download. I think it's already downloaded already. Finished already. It already sunk in April 15. I don't know. Put in the comments. It's only sunk in 1915, so I don't know what date it sank. And you can also see in the internet some models, some pictures from Facebook, and check my other videos like the cars and continental trip. This is a new video of my show. It's brand new episode is season 2. You thought my hands is not that, but it's my hands. It's just like magic. So make sure subscribe my channel. So next I will review is HMS Audacious. You remember him, Savior, that warship that sank from the ocean. That its Savior is Olympic, but it was cancelled. Olympic demolished the ship and it already sank. You can check in the pictures, see what looked like in HMS Audacious wreck. Here is. So I think I just want to cancel this part of the video. I'll be back. And I'm back. So here's the strange 3 ships. I don't know what are names. They put the Titanic. So, and this is my video. And here's the ships. And see you next time in the next video today. I love you so much from Pandemic. This is not a live stream. This is a ghost video ship. Now today, I'll now review every ship's Legos, reviews, and even more. Subscribe in my channel. So next time, bye. I'll see you at the end. Surprise! I'll be next episode. I'll make new videos. Subscribe in the channel. Check in the notifications to join us on my channel and subscribe now. Subscribe, okay? See you next time. Bye bye. Coming soon. A new name for my channel. Adventures Matthew, nickname of my channel. See you next time. Bye. I'll signing out. Bye.